that must be the Mercury comet, huh?
That's a comet.
Yeah, it looks just like a Maverick.
Yeah. Yeah, there's subtle little differences.
Yeah.
Anyway, we're in beautiful D'Iberville, Mississippi, and every year they have a barbecue cook-off. And it's a throwdown.
It's a throwdown.
Okay, it's a throwdown anyway. But they also have other stuff for people that aren't always into barbecue. So this year they have a car show, and it's pretty damn neat. And but of course I like car shows, and so we're walking along and looking at the cars they have on display. And
whoever knows Mr. Parrott, number 95, you let him know that we have $100 for him waiting with the
if I were to have a hot rod, that's what I would. Yeah, okay, I take that back. That's the Corvettes I like right there.
It's a Corvette?
Yeah.
If you still want to gamble a little bit, we got 50,
Yeah, that's the Corvette I like.
available, and you can probably win over $100 in that. So we thank you again.
Wow.
Is that a Falcon right there?
No, that's a Chevy too. Good. Oh, this is a gasser. Wannabe. Oh, anyway. Ranchero. Now you see, if I were to have a half truck, it'd be a Ranchero. Oh, over there is where they're doing the barbecue stuff. This is down another street, so. That's it. Hey, that's what my Uncle Al had.
That almost looks like that red car over there. That's a Corvette.
Yeah.
Yeah, they did a lot of work on these cars, get them looking as good.
I know.
But they run good too.
Takes a lot of work.
We had a Mustang like that, Mama did that year. Go look at it.
Was it a 5-liter?
It was I don't know.
I'm going this way. This way. Mopar.
I'm used to carrying a bunch of
340. Uh-oh. The coolest car here is coming down the road. No, you might think it's this, but no, you would be wrong. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, ba-da-da, 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 ba-da-da. Ah, yes. Oh no!
We got
The
blinds
cool.
on the back window.
Got what? Yeah.
Blinds on the back
Oh.
window.
Oh no, he's got a blemish. Oh, there's another ranchero. No, huh? No.
I don't know what that is, but it looks cool.
It's a little bitty trailer. They were talking about them the other day on that one show. Okay.
That is neat, whatever that is.
It's, hell, I can't remember what they call them. The what? This is a Mustang. If we could, yeah.
Oh my god, that's cool.
All right, would you consider one of those as a convertible?
I think it's not a convertible. Would I consider what?
One of those as our convertible?
A Mustang? Hell yeah.
Okay, just checking. You know, you got.
Yeah, I'll do
Sometimes you
that.
gotta ask. You just gotta.
A Mustang.
Oh, look, he's got some fucked up French-looking headlights. Nah, it's got more than that. Oh, bless his heart.
Isn't it cute? It's pink.
Yeah, yeah, yes, bless his heart.
They all got
I'm gonna keep going. I feel sorry for the car. It's going, but I could be so much more. The pink, come on now, bless its little heart.
Oh my god, it's a Boss 302. Shit. Look at that.
Boss.
Oh my god.
Boston.
Hell yeah, that's cool.
Okay, we'll go look at this one. Ah, Nomad. Got street tires. Bless its heart.
Yeah, you don't like Corvettes that much. Look at that. Come on.
Okay, I would be alright with that. I'd be alright with that
That'd be
one.
okay? You can handle that one? You
Yeah.
can live with that?
Yeah, I think that'd be alright with it. Now this green car down here to the right would be more my style than this. This is my style. Or maybe I could talk her into one of these. We could get groceries with this. So Elfmobile? What? Oh, Oldsmobile. I thought you said Elfmobile. I'm like, what the hell? Okie doke. So,
That's it, huh?
That's it for the cars. Yeah, that's it for the cars. So,
Pretty cool cars.
oh look, it's a Ferrari.
Go over and make a parade. All right. See.
Yeah.
That doesn't mean car show. That's green light. Okay.
Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do.
Doing good. How y'all doing? Good. How you, Jane?
I'm doing pretty good.
Do-do-do-do-do-do. Oh boy.
Keep going.
Okie doke. That's it for now.